Tucked along Avenue de la Paix in the sunny resort town of Hammamet, Tunisia, the Aqi Splashworld Venus Beach has become one of those places that keeps popping up when families start hunting for an affordable seaside getaway. Formerly known as the Caribbean World Venus Beach, this three-star property was rebranded under the TUI Splashworld umbrella, and it has built up a solid reputation as a fun, water-focused, all-inclusive resort. With 339 rooms, an on-site water park, direct beach access, and a rating of 4 out of 5 on TripAdvisor from over 2,300 reviews, it clearly does something right. Let's take a closer look at what guests can actually expect when they check in. Starting with the accommodation, the Aqi Splashworld Venus Beach mainly offers standard rooms, with family and connecting room configurations available for larger groups. The standard rooms can sleep up to 3 people, which is handy for couples with a child or 3 friends sharing costs. Each room comes with a private bathroom, air conditioning, a hairdryer, a television, and an in-room safe for keeping passports and cash tucked away. Most rooms also feature a private balcony or terrace, which is a lovely touch when you want to sip your morning coffee while listening to the distant sound of the sea. Prices tend to hover somewhere between $78 and $224 per night depending on the season and how far in advance you book. Now, the room experience does come with some honest caveats worth mentioning. Several guests have praised the cleanliness, saying the housekeeping team keeps everything tidy and well maintained. However, a fair number of reviewers on Expedia have pointed out that the air conditioning can be a bit temperamental, and the rooms themselves feel somewhat dated compared to newer resorts in the area. Think comfortable and functional rather than trendy or luxurious, which is fair enough for a 3-star property in this price bracket. If you go in expecting a boutique design hotel, you'll be disappointed, but if you go in expecting a clean, practical base for a family beach holiday, you'll likely be pleased. The balconies remain one of the most consistent highlights across guest reviews. When it comes to eating and drinking, the resort centers its food operation around a main buffet restaurant that serves international cuisine across breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Buffet dining at this kind of family resort is really about variety and volume, and guests generally seem to give the food solid marks. Expect a rotating selection of Mediterranean-inspired dishes, some North African flavors, grilled meats, pasta stations, fresh salads, and desserts that are especially popular with the younger crowd. One TripAdvisor reviewer said the food was amazing and that the staff were very friendly, which is the kind of double compliment that goes a long way in a buffet setting. Fussy eaters will find the familiar staples they need, while more adventurous diners can sample the occasional local specialty. The bar side of things is centered on the pool and beach bars, where all-inclusive drinks flow until the rather specific hour of 24:59, which is essentially 1 minute before the clock strikes 1. That's a generous window for guests who like to nurse a cocktail while watching the stars over the Mediterranean. The bar menu typically covers your standard beers, wines, spirits, cocktails, and plenty of soft drinks, along with light snacks throughout the day so you don't have to trek back to the buffet every time hunger strikes. The atmosphere around the pool bars tends to be lively during the day and mellower in the evening, giving guests a mix of moods. It's not the place for craft cocktail connoisseurs, but for holiday drinking with your feet in the sand, it does the job nicely. Now we come to what is arguably the star of the show at this property, which is the water experience. The Aqi Splashworld Venus Beach has an on-site water park with multiple slides and attractions, and one enthusiastic TripAdvisor reviewer went as far as saying you could spend your whole day there without complaint. For kids, and honestly for a lot of adults too, this is the kind of feature that turns a good holiday into a memorable one. Beyond the water park, the resort has both outdoor pools for sunny days and an indoor pool for those rare occasions when the weather doesn't cooperate or when guests prefer a swim out of the direct sun. Loungers are provided in generous numbers, and reviews suggest that finding a sun is rarely a stressful morning mission here. The beach itself is another major selling point, with direct access from the resort and suns laid out along the shoreline. Hammamet Beach sits just half a kilometer away and forms part of a long, sandy stretch that has drawn holidaymakers to this part of Tunisia for decades. The sand is soft, the water is that iconic warm Mediterranean blue, and the vibe is relaxed rather than rowdy. For guests who want to spice things up, there's a water sports station on the right side of the hotel beach, though it's worth noting this is a payable service and not included in the all-inclusive package. Jet skis, banana boats, and other typical beach activities are usually on offer, giving thrill seekers something extra to enjoy beyond the pools. Moving on to activities and entertainment, the resort keeps guests busy with a decent mix of options throughout the day. The water park and pools naturally soak up most of the entertainment demand, but there are usually organized activities like aqua aerobics, poolside games, and light-hearted competitions run by the animation team. Evening entertainment typically includes live performances, themed shows, and music in the main entertainment areas, giving guests something to look forward to after dinner. It's the kind of resort where you can be as active or as lazy as you want, with no pressure either way. Families in particular tend to appreciate the balance between structured activities and free time. For guests who prefer to stay physically active during their holiday, the resort setting provides opportunities to walk along the beach, swim laps in the pool, or venture out for excursions. While the property itself isn't known as a sports powerhouse, the wider Hammamet area offers plenty of chances for tennis, golf, and water sports if you're willing to travel a short distance. Cultural experiences are also within easy reach, and the animation team often organizes lighter cultural moments in the evenings that give guests a small taste of Tunisian traditions. It's a laid-back approach to holiday activities which suits the overall vibe of a family beach resort quite well. Those looking for a more intense fitness program might want to check out day passes at nearby facilities. Wellness at the Aqi Splashworld Venus Beach revolves around the on-site spa, which offers massages and various wellness treatments for guests who want to unwind beyond the pool. After a day of chasing kids down slides or lounging on the beach, a proper massage can feel like the ultimate reward. The treatments typically include classic massage styles, and the spa environment offers a peaceful escape from the busier public areas of the resort. Hammamet itself has a long tradition of thalassotherapy and wellness tourism, so guests staying at this property benefit from being in a region that takes water-based wellness seriously. While the spa isn't as elaborate as those found at five-star wellness retreats, it hits the essentials that most holidaymakers actually want. A relaxing massage after too much sun, a bit of quiet time away from the mini disco, and treatments that make you feel refreshed rather than overwhelmed by choice. Guests who are particularly serious about wellness might want to explore the broader Hammamet area, which has become well known internationally for its therapeutic seawater treatments. Combined with the calming sound of the Mediterranean and the warm Tunisian sunshine, the wellness offering here does its part in making the holiday feel restorative. Families are absolutely at the heart of the Aqi Splashworld Venus Beach experience, and the kids' club setup reflects that beautifully. The mini club welcomes children aged 4 to 12 free of charge and runs daily activities and events that keep the younger crowd entertained while parents get a much-needed break. The activities typically mix games, crafts, sports, and pool-based fun, all supervised by animation staff who specialize in keeping kids happy. One of the highlights for children is the mini disco held in the amphitheater every evening from 20:30 to 21:15, where the little ones get to dance, sing, and generally have a blast before bedtime. It's the kind of nightly ritual that quickly becomes a favorite family memory. Parents traveling with kids also appreciate how the whole resort is designed with families in mind, from the water park to the buffet options that cater to picky young eaters. The overall atmosphere is welcoming rather than stuffy, meaning families with lively children don't feel out of place. Older kids and teenagers might find the mini club a bit young for their tastes, but the water park and pools generally keep them entertained. This is very much a resort where you can bring the whole family and know that every age group will find something to enjoy. It's a big part of why the property has built such a loyal returning guest base among families across Europe and the United Kingdom. Location-wise, the resort is well positioned for exploring some of the best that this part of Tunisia has to offer. Hammamet Beach is just about half a kilometer away, forming a natural extension of the resort's own beachfront, while Hammamet City Center sits around 4 kilometers away for those wanting to browse local shops and restaurants. The Medina of Hammamet, also known as the Old Town, is roughly 5 kilometers away and offers a beautiful glimpse into traditional Tunisian architecture and market culture. It's a great half-day trip, complete with narrow alleyways, whitewashed walls, and plenty of opportunities to pick up handmade souvenirs. Beyond the immediate area, guests can venture to Carthagena Hammamet, a theme park about 7 kilometers away that pairs nicely with the resort's own water park for families wanting an extra dose of excitement. The Yasmine Hammamet Marina, also 7 kilometers out, provides a lovely promenade lined with restaurants, cafes, and boats bobbing in the harbor. Golf lovers can visit Golf Citrus Hammamet about 9 kilometers away, and the town of Nabil, known for its pottery and local markets, is around 12 kilometers from the hotel. For those arriving by air, the Enfidha Hammamet International Airport sits roughly 40 kilometers away, making transfers manageable rather than exhausting. Taking the overall picture into account, the Aqi Splashworld Venus Beach is a solid 3-star family resort that punches above its weight in certain areas, particularly when it comes to the water park and beach access. Guests consistently praise the friendly staff, the cleanliness of the public areas, and the value for money offered by the all-inclusive package. The food gets generally positive reviews, the pools are well maintained, and the location is genuinely excellent for exploring Hammamet. Its TripAdvisor score of 4 out of 5 and Expedia rating of 7.4 out of 10 both reflect a hotel that consistently delivers a pleasant holiday experience for the majority of its guests. It's not perfect, but it's honest about what it is. The weaker points are worth being upfront about too because they help set proper expectations. Some rooms feel dated and could use a refurbishment. The air conditioning has drawn complaints from certain guests, and there have been reports of confusion around whether Wi-Fi is genuinely free or occasionally charged for. The water sports station is a paid extra rather than an all-inclusive freebie, which can catch some guests off guard. None of these issues are deal-breakers, but they do mean this property is best suited to travelers who prioritize fun and value over polish and luxury. Manage expectations and you'll likely leave very satisfied. What really makes this hotel stand out from its competitors in the region is the combination of the on-site water park, direct beach access, and the family-focused all-inclusive package. Not many 3-star resorts in Hammamet can offer that trio at this price point, and even fewer manage to keep the operation running smoothly across such a large 339-room property. The eco-certified status is another quiet but meaningful advantage, appealing to guests who care about sustainable tourism practices. Being part of the TUI Splashworld brand also brings a certain reliability that resonates with holidaymakers who like knowing what they're getting. The generous late-night bar hours and the well-attended kids club are additional selling points that give the property real personality. It's a resort that clearly knows its audience and leans into it rather than trying to be all things to all people. That focus is a big part of why so many guests return year after year, treating it almost like a summer tradition rather than a one-off holiday. The friendly staff, so often praised in reviews, tie the whole experience together and often turn first-time guests into repeat visitors. The resort's business and events facilities aren't a major focus given its family holiday orientation, but the property can accommodate small group gatherings and travel operator functions thanks to its size and range of public spaces. Most bookings come through leisure channels rather than corporate ones, and that reflects the resort's clear identity. For anyone considering it for a small informal group event, the buffet setup and pool areas could work well, but this isn't the destination for serious business conferences. Finally, when it comes to the standout guest moments, the memories that come up most often in reviews involve the water park, the beach, and the warm hospitality of the staff. Guests talk about kids not wanting to leave the slides, about long, lazy afternoons on the beach, and about servers who remembered their names and drink preferences by day 2. The mini disco routine becomes a nightly highlight for families with young children, and the late-night bar sessions become cherished moments for couples and friends. It's not a fancy hotel, but it's a happy one, and that counts for a lot when you're on holiday. For the right kind of traveler, the Aqi Splashworld Venus Beach delivers exactly the sunny, splashy, stress-free escape they were hoping for. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content, If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.